Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a must-know feature for all iPhone users: how to turn on Find My Network in 2025. If you've ever misplaced your iPhone or worried about it getting lost, this feature is a game changer. It allows your device to be located even when it's offline by using nearby Apple devices. Plus, it's super easy to set up. Let's dive right in and get your iPhone secured in just a few steps. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, probably iOS 19 or whatever's out in 2025, to ensure everything works smoothly. Okay, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Start by opening the Settings app. You know, that gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on your name at the top. This takes you to your Apple ID settings. Next, look for the Find My option in the list and tap on it. Here, you'll see a few toggles. Make sure Find My iPhone is turned on first. That's the main feature. Now, scroll down a bit and find the Find My Network setting. This might be under a sub-menu or directly listed, depending on your iOS version. Toggle it on, and you might be prompted to confirm with your Apple ID password for security reasons. Go ahead and enter that to proceed. Once that's done, you're all set. But wait, there's more. To make it even better, go back to Settings, head to Privacy and Security, and ensure Location Services is enabled. This is crucial for Find My Network to work its magic. Pro tip: if you have multiple Apple devices, make sure they're all signed in with the same Apple ID for seamless tracking. And there you have it. Your iPhone is now protected with Find My Network. This simple setup could save you a ton of stress down the line. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.